Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. After our successful setup or pairing of the Nexal Watch on the Android smartphone, this time we are going to set it up again or pair it with a different platform. We do have here the iPhone or the iOS platform. So let's check if this smartwatch will work with our iPhone. Based on the features here, it is compatible with iOS and Android smartphone. We do have the Android 5.0 and above, iOS 9.0 and above. So we will install the support app on our iPhone and pair the Nexal Watch. So for those who want to know if the smartwatch works with iPhone, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and pair or connect our Nexal Watch with our iPhone. So we have here, I think we have the QR code of the support app. As you can see, we have it here. We can scan this, or we just search the name of the application on the App Store. Anyway, let's try to scan this. Let's see if it will work. Okay, open in the App Store. And we have here the application, Hawofit Health and Fitness. Okay, to download the app, tap on the Get. Let's wait for the download, the completion of download, and it will automatically install it in our iOS device or iPhone. And now that the download is complete, as you can see here, it's already installed. Let's open the application. Tap on open. Okay, to use our location, okay, allow while using the app. Then Hawofit would like to use our Bluetooth. Okay. Then let's get started. So it is asking to sign up. We already have an account, so we will log in with our account. We'll select our region here. Then we'll use our email and of course our password. We'll log in, then we'll pair our smartwatch. Alright, so we have successfully logged in with our account, and we have here terms and policies agreed. Okay, so we have here the dashboard. We have health, exercise and device, and me. So select device. Okay, so we have here, we can scan the smartwatch, or we can select add device. So we'll select this one. It's now searching for our smartwatch, and as you can see here, we have the Nexal Watch here. Okay, to pair your smartwatch, tap on Nexal Watch. Okay, please confirm the pairing on the wearable device side. So we have here, okay, asking permission, allow pairing, request, tap on the check sign, and pairing successful. Okay, agree, pair, allow here for notifications, just allow the permission here. And as you can see here, it is downloading our GPS data. Upgrading, let's wait, installing, as you can see here. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. We have here the battery, and seems like we do have a firmware version here. Let's see, general functions, the telephone, contacts, camera, world clock, e-card. Okay, let's try to add a phone number here. Okay, done. Sync to watch, and let's check. We have a successful connection, contacts, and we have it here. Okay, so seems like everything is okay here for our smartwatch. We set up the smartwatch successfully. Device language. Okay, follow the system. We have the unit here. Lift tree is activated. The brightness. Okay. Then let's try to download additional watch face before we end. Okay, more. In the spirit of World Cup, let's try to install this one. Installing, as you can see here, it's now downloading. And okay, finally we have here our watch face. As you can see here, the smartwatch is compatible with our iPhone, and seems like the connection here is stable so far. Let's see, we do have an update here. So let's try to update. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch or this video demo, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.